So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the results that we've had so far. Today is January 19, and so far we are at $549 for the day. Okay, and you can see that we have some trades from this morning. Let's see. So this morning we had GBP CAD buy. Then that buy closed. Next, we had a GBP Swift buy. I entered that trade, and then that trade also closed for a profit of $326. And now we are in our final trade for the day, which is a GBP USD buy. And this is what's happening so far. So let me show you guys my terminal so far. We are floating $112, and I may close this trade simply because it's very late in the day and I don't know what's gonna happen. But so far today, $549. I may just move my stop loss into profit. Let me just do that right now. 1 point. And if you hear a strange noise, that's just my daughter. All right. But yeah, I'm thinking about closing this trade, but so far so good. No complaints. Our indicator is working very well, and if you are a beginner, this is exactly what you need to trade the forex market successfully. All right.